Want to master grilling chicken? Let's unlock the secrets to juicy, flavorful perfection. Achieving perfect grilled chicken means tender meat, a crisp exterior, and delicious flavor, all while ensuring it's cooked safely. We're using simple seasonings to elevate the natural taste of the chicken, maximizing flavor and texture. Whether you prefer breast or thigh, this recipe works for both, using accessible ingredients. Our method is backed by culinary science and adheres to USDA and FDA guidelines for both taste and safety. You'll need a boneless, skinless chicken breast or a 5-ounce thigh for extra juiciness. Our marinade: olive oil, smoked paprika, garlic powder, cumin. Add lemon juice, salt, and pepper to taste. Consider rice and veggies for a complete meal. For equipment, you'll need a gas or charcoal grill or a stovetop grill pan. Essential tools: tongs, an instant read thermometer, and a plate for resting. Prep is quick, 5 minutes. Marinating is optional, for 30 minutes. Cooking takes 10 to 12 minutes. First, pat the chicken dry with paper towels. This ensures a beautiful sear. In a bowl, combine olive oil, smoked paprika, garlic powder, cumin, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Rub this mixture generously onto the chicken. Marinate for 30 minutes for deeper flavor. Marinades boost moisture retention by 10%, according to a 2019 food chemistry study, leading to juicier results. Paprika and cumin add smoky depth, lemon juice tenderizes, and olive oil promotes golden brown browning. Preheat your gas grill to medium-high, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Set up 2 zones, a hot zone for searing and a cooler zone for indirect cooking. For charcoal, light coals to create direct and indirect heat zones. Clean and oil the grates to prevent sticking. A paper towel dipped in oil works perfectly. 2-zone grilling is key, allowing searing without drying, as recommended by USDA guidelines. Grill the chicken on the hot zone for 3 to 4 minutes per side, until golden with grill marks. Grill marks form at 165 degrees Celsius, as noted in the Journal of Food Science, indicating perfect searing. After searing, move to the cooler zone. Cook for 4 to 6 minutes, flipping once. Chicken is done at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, a critical FDA safety standard. Searing locks in juices. Indirect heat ensures even cooking, resulting in tender, moist meat. Chicken thighs with higher fat can be cooked safely up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit for extra tenderness. Remove and let the chicken rest for 3 minutes. This redistributes juices. Resting keeps the meat tender, ensuring every bite is succulent, confirmed by culinary science. Slice or serve whole with rice, veggies, and optional cilantro. Seasoning choices reduce calories. Smoked paprika replaces barbecue sauce, saving about 45 calories per tablespoon. Lemon juice substitutes for creamy glazes, saving around 90 calories per tablespoon. Cumin boosts flavor, allowing smaller portions, saving approximately 30 calories. These swaps save about 165 calories per serving, keeping your meal around 300 calories. For extra flavor, add half a teaspoon of chili powder. No extra calories. Always prioritize safety. Double-check the internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Clean your grill regularly to prevent cross-contamination. No outdoor grill? Use a stovetop grill pan on medium-high heat, same timing. This method delivers tender, flavorful, and perfectly grilled chicken every time. Enjoy grilling. Share your methods in the comments.